What's up, YouTube? This is Justin from Party Rental Knowledge. If you don't know, I give tips and tricks in the party rental industry. And today's video is about bounce houses, and specifically Halloween bounce houses. I get asked all the time, what bounce house should I buy? And it's Halloween right now, and people are asking, oh, should I buy a Halloween bounce house? And my answer to you, if you're just starting out, is no. But if you have an existing company and you have a market, and a big market, I would definitely get a Halloween bounce house. I'm thinking about getting one in the future. But right now, I don't use one, I just use banners. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy Halloween. When you buy a bounce house, you can buy like generic bounce houses, or you can buy a theme bounce house. You could have like a tropical theme. You can have a water theme, or you can have like a character theme, like say it's like Disney and Disney Princess. You got Frozen, all kinds of different stuff. But then you have Halloween bounce houses, like just specifically like be a big giant pumpkin. That will only rent during Halloween for the most part, and you'd have to be able to be in a big area where you're going to rent it all month long, at least get it out 10 times that one season. Banners are the way to go, especially in times like Halloween. They make your items and your bounce houses more versatile. You can have one bounce house and multiple different banners, and then you can have multiple banners, bounce houses, and have one banner that can go on all of them. So now this Halloween banner can go on 3 different of my units if I really wanted to, but they chose to put it on this one. So, and I only own this one Halloween banner. So, it's a nice thing to own. So this right here is my regular combo that I basically just put a banner on. It's got those right there. So for 13 and for 15 wide. And that gives me the versatility to put multiple different banners on this. This is what the unit looks like with the banner on it. So a bunch of these banners and a bunch of bounce houses equals just a bunch of opportunity. Happy Halloween. If you like the video, check out these.